So today we are going to create a matrix train code using notepad. So this is Isaac from Spread Skill channel. So let's get started. So you go to the start menu, click on the Windows logo, then you strictly or to your search bar, type in notepad. Then our notepad is displayed on our screen. So we are going to type in our codes that will come up with a matrix train code. So let's start. Space, then what's the at sign, equal off, then enter, title, matrix, then enter, color, space OA, enter, mode, space 1000, then go to waiting, then you enter twice, then type this semicolon, then greeting, enter CLS, then echo, then the space. So here you write any message that you want to be displayed in your matrix train code before you place any key. So we are going to write welcome, welcome, welcome to the computer world. Then you enter, you write pause, CLS, then go to matrix, then enter twice, then semicolon, matrix, enter echo, then you here we are going to enter our random, and enter random you enter it using percentage signs. So we are going to first enter our percentage sign before we write our random. So here the more random you enter in between the percentage signs, the more digits will be displayed in your output. So you have to enter many randoms as much as you can to get a good view. So let's enter random, 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 random so last we're going to stop from here. So go here, then you backspace the remaining percentage sign, but you can continue if you want, but first we're going to stop from here. So then we press enter, then you write ping in uppercase, then 1.1 1.1 then space n in lowercase space w, then 0.11 greater than null in uppercase, then go to matrix in lowercase, so but the matrix, the first letter of matrix must be in uppercase, then the rest lowercase. Then so here we have finished coding our program that will bring out our matrix range code. So we are going to save now. So you can save in two ways. Either you can use Ctrl plus S, which is a keyboard shortcut, or you can go directly to file, then click save as, file, click save as, or you can press Ctrl plus S. So save as dialog box, it is displayed on the screen, so you have to choose the saving directory where you want your file to be saved. So first we are going to choose desktop, so you activate desktop, then you go to the file name, save it as matrix point but, so you have to give it a file extension of path, which is a batch file. So after giving it, so you set it as matrix point bat, so you directly click on save. So you see it has been saved as matrix notepad. So you minimize, then you go on your desktop, then you look for your file, which is matrix. It's here now, it's here. Then you right click in it, then click open. So it has been displayed here as welcome to the computer world. Then they are saying press any key to continue. So you press any key you want, then now our matrix red code has been created. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.